Today we are going to make bean stew with our Spicytude Garam Masala. Start by slicing garlic, tomatoes, red onion and cilantro. Place the pan over medium heat. Add some oil, 2 bay leaves, garlic, and then red onion. Once the onions are golden brown, add beans, paprika, salt, tomatoes, and Spicytude Garam Masala. Stir it well. Add the lid and cook it for 6 to 8 minutes. Add the broth and the cilantro and cook for another 4 minutes. The bean stew is ready to enjoy. Thank you for watching.